Shamai, I'm going to introduce you to two new additions, two new bits of equipment in Ukulele Wales. And sorry there's been a bit of a delay. We went away for a day last week, which sort of put things back. Then I had an idea, but I've had to wait till today because one of the things you're about to see has literally just arrived. So hopefully just behind me you can see one of the new additions that has literally just arrived now. But if you follow my Web's World vlogs, you'll already have seen the other new bit of equipment. So it is definitely worth checking those out as well. Apologies for the mess. I've been teaching in here all morning. Right, let's crack on with this. I'm off to Eastbourne tomorrow and I've got an awful lot to do, including packing. So I'm going to keep this short. Tiny boy, it's the fretted version, oh yeah. World of Ukes sticker on it, so Matt has sent it down from World of Ukes for me. I did know these were going to be coming into the country because they've got a new distributor, Stones Music. I'll leave a link in the description below for both World of Ukes and Stones Music. As soon as I had the fretless, I knew I wanted the fretted. And me being me, knew that as soon as they were going to get in here, I was going to have it. So, right. Looks like it's the same case as the fretless one. This is only a very quick first look today, okay? Oh, that is nice. Matt had sent me a picture of the actual instrument, so I knew what it was going to look like. If I haven't already said it, it's Tiny Bass, tinybass.com. Formerly known as Tiny Boy Bass, but this is the natural finish. All right, I've got the black, transparent black for the fretless. Oh, so it's got a spalted something top. I want to say maple. Mahogany back, and it is as gorgeous looking as the fretless one. It's got a matching headstock. It's got the matching pots on there as well. This one has got round wound. If you haven't seen it, watch my unboxing of the fretless because I'm halfway through the video and I realise there's flat wounds on it. See, I'm overly excited now. So, yes. This is one of the new additions. Pop that by there for a minute and I need to plug it in very quickly just to make sure it all works and have a very quick play. I haven't got time to do anything else today, but I'm going to introduce you to the other new addition that I've got when I plug this in. Hang on, it's in tune now. Pop that there safely. Really do need to put a strap onto it. Better safe than sorry. This is probably not going to be the final strap. So, ooh, look at that. The other new bit of equipment is an amp. There is rather a long story to this. I won't bore you with all the details today. And as I said, this has already been featured on Web's World and I go into it a little bit there as well. I've been after one of these for a long time. They're quite specialist. Phil Jones bass, awesome maker. And the reason, don't sound effects make everything better? There we go. The reason I've been after one of these is this. It's got a dual input on it. In other words, I can plug a microphone and a bass into it and use them both at the same time, which you really don't see very often on bass amps. So it's a Phil Jones Cub amp. As you can see, it's really diddy. It is very small, it is very light, but it is a 100-watt amp. And there you are, I've just flipped it up on its little stand. Right, we need to plug that in, get the bass in, and see what these two sound like. This occasion, I'm only plugging an instrument in, but I could plug an XLR in and run a microphone as well, which is handy, especially if we're doing something with Ukumaniacs where we're only using small amps, not the PA. And in the past, when we've done that, I've actually had to take 2 amps. I've had to take a bass amp and normally like a little electroacoustic for me to be able to plug in a microphone as well. Right. Oh, still close enough. Okay, I haven't plugged this in yet. You haven't heard this amp yet. This is not going to be decent sound because I'm only using the camera microphone and my little lavalier microphone here. But, moment of truth, just turn the volumes down a bit, you never know, do you? Will it work? We have light. We have sound. We could do more sound, I'm sure. Oh, it's squeaky new. It's still got the plastic. Hang on. Off. It's mine now, isn't it? There we go. Shouldn't actually affect the sound too much. Tone up. Don't like round ones, but I love my new bass. I really do. Tiny boy. I'll pop the actual model number up on the screen now because I don't know it off the top of my head. £499 from World of Ukes. Thank you, Matt, you are a star. And yeah, the intention being is that this could well become my main gigging bass. I'll explain why, I've already explained why in the review of the fretless, but if you want to know why this one is probably going to become my main gigging bass, you need to watch the full review of it. Right, I need to go and very quickly edit this to get it up for you guys today. And then I've got to go and get myself ready because I'm off to Eastbourne tomorrow for 4 days of ukulele fun. Plus we're calling into Southern Ukulele Store on the way home. Right, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. New, first time, new. As always, if you've got any comments or questions, please feel free, leave them below. Give us a like if you've enjoyed and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching.